Hi everyone, my name is Kim. Thank you for watching my video, visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm starting the day off with a haul from Sam's Club. We just went real quick. It is so hot out there. It says 87, but it feels way hotter. But we just bought a little bit of groceries here to restock, and I'll start with the mini tacos. These are chicken and cheese. I've seen lots of YouTubers that have bought this at Sam's Club and really like them. I'm hoping that we like them too. My son loves mini tacos. I used to get him the frozen meals with the mini tacos, and then we got them at Trader Joe's, but we don't have a Trader Joe's close by, so I'm hoping he likes these. Got a 6-pound bag of Vidalia onions. He chose the Kool-Aid Jammers, which usually I get him Capri Sun waters, the lot less calories, but he grabbed these. I saw these churro twists in mini bag form. They are Members Mark. I'm sure I'm going to like these. I'm trying these for the first time, but I really wanted the mini bags because it's so tempting for me to eat this whole bag. You have no idea. Right here I have an enormous pack of chicken thighs. Almost 6 pounds at 99 cents is really good. Then I found these chicken wings on sale, so I definitely had to grab these from $20.35 to $13.52. That's awesome. Another one for $11, and I will take care of that. Another one for $10.65. So this is great. We've been eating chicken wings the last month or so a lot. I broke down and bought beef. I usually buy it at Walmart, but this one really looks good. It's at 88%, and it was almost 20 bucks, $19.22. So I mean, $4 a pound is still better than a lot of places, you know. Then I'll put that away in a minute. I got a box of corn. I had bought a bunch, like a dozen at Aldi, and we finally went through them. And so this 8-pack should be good for us being here for the few months we'll be remaining. My son insisted we get the 4-pack of the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, so I'm not fighting about that. We love these darn things, and he'll eat through them as the days go by, so they will never go to waste. I needed some cereal, and I love Captain Crunch. I always have. So I chose the limited edition red, white, and blue. Why not, right? Let's see. I got a box of salt. It was less than $2, so I just went ahead and got it. And I finished my minced garlic when I was making chicken wings yesterday, so we grabbed a new one of these. And any of these groceries that we might have left over when we move out, my son can just take them with him to his apartment, wherever he moves to. And he found this. Boy, was he happy. We have been looking for a box that has more than 4 Cool Ranch Doritos. He is so happy. Actually, we both love all of this. The cheese and the sour cream and chive, or whatever, the Cool Ranch. We love these, so this is really nice, and they call it the Cool and Tangy Mix. And lastly, he got more water. The last one he got, in our last haul, he bought different size bottles, and they ended up being 32-ounce bottles, and that was too big to fit in his mini fridge. So he got these. And that's it. It's very boring, but definitely stuff that we love. We needed more chicken. I only have 1 bag of chicken left in the freezer. I have no ground beef in the freezer. Still haven't found my pork chops at Sam's Club. I like the darker meat. That would be from the pork shoulder, but all they have is the loin chops, and I don't like that. I don't like white meat pork chops. So I'm going to put this away, and I'll see you back soon with an unboxing. I have a tiny Amazon box and a Shein package that I got in the mail. So I'll see you in a bit. I also did want to mention that I do not put these packages of meat away like this. This is a 4-pound package. I'm sorry, this is almost 5 pounds. So what I'll do is pack this into probably 4 sections, different bags, so I can use them for different meals. I do the same thing with the wings. I will try and pack about 10 wings per Ziploc bag, and the thighs in this case, I might, since I don't have chicken legs this time, I'll probably make that into 2 separate bags. So we're looking at several meals here. 4 ground beef, yeah, and about 8 chicken. So I just wanted to mention that I don't put this whole thing in the freezer. In this box of chips, we were supposed to get these amounts, but here it says all your faves are here, but some item counts will vary. And it says you'll have at least one of each item featured on the packaging, but due to unprecedented supply chain challenges, the exact mix will vary. And what we got here was correct, except for these Lay's cheddar and sour cream. We only got 1. And the other 3 that were missing, they gave us extra of these, which is fine. But just be aware if you ever see that sticker on anything you buy from Frito-Lay. I have 2 unboxings for you. It's not much, just a couple of things I bought. I really wanted to start taking this dandelion root. I've read up on it and I've seen a few videos on it, so I think this might be something that'll help me. There are 180 capsules, says 60 servings, so that means they suggested serving is 3 capsules. I don't know, I think I'm going to start with 1 in the beginning, and if I don't have any reactions, then I'll up it. But yeah, I'm getting in that time of life that I'm taking so many different supplements, and I wish I would have paid attention to this stuff earlier on, but I'm doing it now. So that's the first thing. This is the second thing. I know Amazon has had it for a while, but I haven't been making any purchases on Amazon since I'm not working right now. But since I had a little cash, I decided to grab this, and also to make the $25 minimum for the free shipping. So I needed 1 more item, and I got these. How cute are they? I'm going to surprise my son in a couple of food items, and then we're going to have fun with that. Yes, he's going to be 30 years old, but he can still appreciate some cute kawaii stuff. And this one is a Sheen package. Let's see, let me cut it through here. I'm not expecting very much. I know these stores can be hit or miss. I've just been looking for tops that don't have straps, because I hate getting the suntan lines on my shoulders. I've always hated that. It's really annoying. So let's see, the first one is pretty pink. So this is the top, and then that ruffle. It looks about right. I'm going to take pictures of these in better light to show them to you. So that was the first one. This will be the same idea. Strapless. And it's like a tube. Let's see, is this the top? No, this is the bottom, I believe. Oh yeah, this is a little ruffle up here, so this would be the top. And again, I'll put some photographs in there for you to see what it really looks like. This one's very pretty too. Oh, this one's too short. Okay, but I guess it depends what it's worn with. But as a top, this is too short. But maybe I can wear it like at the beach. I think it might even be too big. I don't want to have to return anything, but I definitely don't want to keep anything that's too big because I want to go in the other direction. So let's check this. See, this looks right. And I love the peach and the flowers. But you can see how long this is, where that will hit my waist. This will not hit my waist. This is the breast area, and then a little stomach. I don't think, we'll see. I'll try them on. And the third one again, this was the first one. The breast area, and then that's longer than this guy. Well, that's it. Those are these 3 items that I got from Shein. I will try them on, take some pictures, and see what you guys think. This is funny. Dr. Eric Berg is on YouTube, and he made a video last week about the dandelion root. So he's the one that got me into looking into it and researching it if it was for me. So, and here's his video right here. But I just wanted to say that I'm very happy. This one is my favorite. Let me see if I can do this the right way. This is what I wanted because I hate those lines, those tan lines. And that's not from me going to the beach. Of course, the light's working against me there. That's not from going to the beach. That's from going out on my walks. So, yeah, I'm very happy. So, this stuff here is what I brought from the living room, from the boxes of electronics. I want to keep my Switch with me when I'm moving. I haven't played it in a really long time, but you know how that is. As soon as I don't have access to it, I'm gonna want it. So this is my second camera, this is a photo printer, and these are the cartridges. And this is the stuff I use on a daily basis. My tablet. This I use to edit my photos, my videos. I have an external hard drive that I was smart enough to buy, and my camera case, my battery charger for my camera, and I actually have a total of 3 batteries for the one I'm holding. And sadly, this camera, it's also an Olympus, and it's also 8 megapixels. I wish one of them would have been higher, but I think I might start using this one the next few days just to see what the picture's like, and especially in the video. I think I'm going to start trying that out. But I need to find a place for this stuff, and I don't feel like doing it right now, but at least it's not enough. It's probably going to go into one of those bedside table drawers. That's where I have like old cell phones, and oh, I have an old cell phone and some other stuff over here. Extra pair of headphones, brand new out of the package. Extra charger cords. This, darn it, needs to go with that stuff. And here is an old cell phone. I had this cell phone when I left Columbus in 2018. So I want to see what pictures I have on there that I don't have in the cloud or on the hard drive or anything like that. So that's why I didn't put it with those other things. But I want this and this. These, by the way, these I bought in the Dollar Tree, and they work perfectly. And even better, this is fabric. It's not plastic, so they don't even break as fast as the good ones. So just a heads up on that. I even found these 2 gold bracelets that I didn't realize was in some of the junk that I went through the other day, the day I was going through my mom's papers. So that's a nice find. And this is over here because this box has all jewelry that I have decided to keep. I purged everything else, so I need to open that. But when I listen to my audiobooks, I have an identical pair of these headphones, and I'm not going to use these until those are completely demolished. So this has to go in a safe place, that when I move, this will go with me in my vehicle with my most needed clothing and my toiletries and so forth. Hi everyone. I want to come in here and close out this video. I'm actually editing the footage from earlier just to get it off my computer and off my camera and so forth. So I want to thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I really appreciate you watching my video. This I'm happy with the purchases between Sam's Club and my 2 unboxings. I'm really happy. So it's been a good day, and I want to leave on a high note. So you guys take care of yourselves, have a good day, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Bye.